Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be revealing my most powerful scalping strategy. I have already marked the setups. These setups are taken on 27 July 2024. I will reveal those setups and also I will also show you what are the trading conditions. And so keep watching this video. So let's start. This is the first setup. I guess you are viewing this red line. I have taken a sell entry from this place and I have booked my profit here. These are 4 to 5 indicators. First one is the channel band, and this is the upper band, this is the lower band. We will look for sell entry from the upper band and from the buy entry from the lower band. These marks are the red diamonds and these marks are the blue diamonds. This is the second indicator and this is the momentum indicator, and this 4 1 is the long term trend indicator. It is actually an optional indicator, but these three indicators are must have to know to get this set to guess this trading system to work on this trading system. Let's look at the trading condition. This is the sell setup, so we look for the sell entry conditions. The first one is price must be touching the upper band or above the channel band. As you are seeing that the price has crossed the upper band, so our first condition has met here. Now let's move to our second condition, that is the red diamonds appear at above specified level. These are the red diamonds, you are watching these diamonds, so our second conditions are met here. The first condition is that the price must be touching or above the channel band. The second condition is that at this level there must be some red diamonds appeared. So both of the conditions are met here. Now let's move to our third condition, that is the momentum indicator must not be far away from its central line. This is the momentum indicator. The momentum indicator actually tells us the power or momentum in the market. This is the center line. If it is above the center line means the market is in a bullish momentum, and if it is below the center line then the market is in the bearish momentum. We are actually looking for a sell trade from the upper band, so we must be sure that this momentum indicator must not be far away from central line. The farther it is from the central line means there is strong momentum out there, and we will not look for sell trade when there is a strong momentum, because taking a trade against a trend when there is a powerful momentum out there could be very risky. It will easily hit your SL. So all we can do is to look for only those entries where the momentum indicator is not far away from its central line. And when I say that it is not far away from the center line, it means that you can see that there is some numbers writing on the most right part of this indicator, and it must not be far away from 0.40 level. If it is above the 0.40 level, the lower the better, but make sure that it is not far away from 0.40 level, because when it is above the 0.40 level there is a lot of momentum in the market and it is moving in a strong trend in a bullish direction, and taking a sell trade from that level could be very risky. So this condition is also met here because it is lower than the 0.40 level. And now let's move to next condition. There's a diversion at above specified level. This is also a very compulsory condition. Clearly, I guess you are watching this. There is a higher high. Price is making a higher high. You can see that. This is a higher high. And if you look at the indicator, this is clearly a lower low. You can see that. In price is making a higher high, indicator is making a lower low. There is clearly a diversion out there. And once the last one, long-term trend indicator displaying trend lines, so it is an optional one. This is the long-term trend indicator, actually a multi-time frame indicator, which actually tells us that what price is doing in a bigger time frame. So it is an optional one. All of the rest of the conditions are met. We can take our sell trade from this candle, and we can measure the distance between these two bands, put our SL at this place, and once price touches to the lower band, we will book our profit. Now let's move to our second trading entry. This is the line, I guess you are watching this. Again, the price, this is a buy entry. The price has touched to the lower band. First condition is met. Second, there are the blue diamonds appear at this level. Second condition is met. The momentum indicator must not be far away from its central line. Now we are looking for the buy trade. So the momentum indicator is currently below from its central line, and make sure that this is not lower than minus 0.40 level. If it is lower than minus 0.40 level, the above the better. Just the opposite of the from the previous entry, because previously we are looking for the sell entry, now we are looking for a buy entry. And this condition is also met because clearly you are seeing that it is about 0 minus 0.25 level, and the third condition is also met. Now we look for the fourth condition, whether there is a diversion or not. Clearly there is a diversion. Price is making a lower low and indicator is making a higher high, so diversion condition is also met, and we will look for buy entry from this candle as soon as all the conditions are met and you have found a bullish candle with the blue diamond. You can take your trade, put your SL, measure the distance between these two bands from the entry candle. This is the entry candle, triggered candle. Now measure the distance between those two bands, put your SL here, and book your profit once it touches to the upper band or very close to the upper band. Now let's look at our third entry. This is our again bullish trade. We you can see that price is touches to the lower band. Already there are few blue diamonds appeared here. There is a This is not far away from the central line. Clearly a diversion out there. Price is making a lower low, indicator is making a higher high, and just take your entry from this candle. Put your measure the distance between these two bands at the triggered candle. Put your SL here and book your profit once it touches to the upper band. This is another entry. These are live examples, and now let's look. This is our entry candle. We have taken a buy trade from this candle. You can measure that. You can see that this is already few blue diamonds appeared here. Price is touching to the lower band. The indicator is not far away from the center line. Clearly this is, if this is the candle, then this is the point. So this is just 0 0.0 minus 0.08, and there is a clearly a diversion. Indicator is making a higher high and price is making a lower low. We have taken a trade from this candle and put our SL here and booked our profit here. Now this is another sell entry. You can see that price is touching to the upper band. There are already red diamonds are appeared here. This one is the first, this one is the second. Once this is the first one, clearly a diversion. Price is making a higher high, indicator is making a lower low. Take your trade from this candle where the red diamond appear. Put your SL here, measure the distance between these two bands, put your SL here, and book your profit once it touches to the upper lower band. Again, this is the new entry. This is the buy setup. As you can see that all of the conditions are met, and clearly a diversion, and the indicator is not far away from its center line. Take your trade from this candle and book your profit here. Again, this is again the very clear setup. Price has touched to the upper band. There are few red diamonds appeared here. Price and indicator not far away from the center line. Clearly a diversion out there. Clearly price is making a higher high, indicator is making a lower low. There is a diversion. Take your entry from this candle. This is the sell candle, and put your SL at this place and book your profit here. This is again, you can see that you cannot take your trade here because the conditions are not met. Again, this is not the place, this is not the place, but this is the place. This is the place you can, if you have, though the candle, this is a big candle, but you can take your trade because all of the conditions are met. Indicator is not far away from its center line. There's a divergence. Price is making a low, indicator is making a higher high. You can take your trade from this candle, put your SL here, and book a profit here. Again, very clear setup, very clear setup. There's a clearly divergence. Price is making a higher high, indicator is making a lower low, and take your trade from this candle, sell candle, and put your SL here and book your profit here. I hope you have get the idea about this my powerful scalping strategy. Very honestly, this is not 100% strategy because you know in forex you cannot win every trade. But I have been using this strategy since quite a long time now, and I must say it will give you 85% success ratio. And if you more used to this strategy, then you can increase your success ratio as well. If you wanted to reach out to me to discuss about the strategy, then this is my email. You can reach out to me via email. This is my WhatsApp number. You can also reach out to me via Telegram. This is the link. But keep remember that this is a paid strategy. Currently, the original price is $100, but I am currently offering a 50% discount, so you can get the system for $50. I hope you like this video. Thank you.